Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful 5 petal flower. So for this project I am using 4 ply milk cotton yarn and the color I am using green, sky blue and purple. You can use any color you want. So for this project I am using 4 crochet hook. So you can use this flower in your hat or baby blanket or in your sweater or in any crochet item. And also we need scissor. So hope you will like it. Let's get started. At first make a slip knot, then make chain 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. First make 4 chain, 1 2 3 and 4. This chain 4 count as 1 treble crochet. Now make 4 treble crochet in the center of the circle. So let's see how to make the treble crochet. First wrap the yarn 2 times, then make treble crochet. First leave this 2 loop, then leave this 2 loop and leave this 2 loop. So this is the first treble crochet. Make the second one in same way. 2 3 and 4. So here I have got total 5 treble crochet. Now make 3 chain, make 5 treble crochet in the center of the circle. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make 3 chain, make again. So make 5 treble crochet in the same in the center of the circle. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make 3 chain. So this way make more 2 times. So here I have completed the first round. Now in the last make 3 chain and slip stitch in this top of chain. So now work for round 2. This is the last round. So make the petals. First make slip stitch in this next stitch, slip stitch in this next stitch. So this is the middle of double crochet. Make 1 chain and make single crochet in the same stitch. Now make 9 treble crochet in this chain space. 1 2 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So make single crochet in this third treble crochet. Make 9 treble crochet in the center of in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So make single crochet in this third treble crochet stitch. So let's see the pattern again. Make 9 treble crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Make single crochet in this third treble crochet stitch. So continue more 2 times. So here I have completed the petals. Now slip stitch in this very first single crochet. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. So secure this yarn with needle, or you can use crochet hook instead. Now cut the extra yarn. Pull tight in the middle of this yarn and cut it. So now use these medium size beads, and I'm using needle and thread. You can also use yarn as well. Now insert this bead, this needle in this bead, and then again tie a knot. Now secure with a knot. Now cut the extra yarn. So this is the flower. Thanks for watching.